Hi guys, welcome back to my channel MI tutorial. In this particular video I am going to teach you how to create a dependent data validation list. In other words, let's say if you have vegetables here in cell A2, in the item column when you add a drop down, you only need to get the list of the vegetables here, and likewise when there are fruits here, you only need to have a drop down of the fruits that are available. So I am going to teach you how to do this. So let's get started. So as you can see here, I have a sample data set here. I have item type and I have item here. This is where I am going to add the data validation. So I have already created a list of the fruits and vegetables here, which I will be using in this particular drop down. So I am going to go to the fruits area here. I am going to select all of the data here, and I am going to go to the name. I am going to add a name to this particular thing. I am going to call this as fruits. The name that you give here to this particular data set needs to match with the item type which is mentioned over here. So let's say if you, instead of fruits, if you just use the word fruit, the data validation is not going to pick up the data. So you will have to make sure that the name that you are using here has to be used in this particular section as well. So I am going to press on enter, and likewise for vegetables I am going to select this. I am going to come here and type in vegetables. Once that is done, I am going to come to cell B2 here. I am going to click on data validation, and I am going to select a list, and in the source section here I am going to type in is equals to indirect cell A2. I am going to close the bracket and click on OK. So as you can see, the data validate drop down has been added. So when I click on this, I am going to only get the items that are available here, which we just named as vegetables. So I have all these 4 which are available here as a drop down. So let's say if I copy this and paste it in the rest of the cells over here. So I have fruits here. So if I click on this fruits, and I am only going to get the list of fruits that are available here. So I hope you've learned how to do a dependent data validation. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to comment down on this video below. I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.